Hello everyone, welcome to my industrial training video presentation. My name is Chong An Ting. My academic advisor is Dr. Jubaida. My internship industrial is Pen Fabric Sendian Berhad, and my industrial supervisor is Miss Chua Ding Jing. Now, I would like to start my presentation with the introduction first. The Torre Group has evolved into a strong multinational organization with diversified businesses worldwide due to its globalization policy. The Torre Group Malaysia has operated egg manufacturing plants in Penang strategic industrial parks such as Pen Fabric, Pen Fibre, and Torre Plastic Malaysia. Pen Fabric is a world-class textile manufacturer that specializes in fabric materials of polyester cotton blended, pure cotton, and other fibers. The purposes of this fabric are for shirting, blouses, workwear, sportwear, casual wear, and other non-apparel use. There are 4 mills are conducted under Pen Fabric that involve spinning, weaving, dyeing, printing, and finishing operation. The main responsibility for these 4 mills is to produce yarn, grey fabric, finished fabric, yarn dye fabric, and grey yarn. Pen Fabric is awarded by the Sustainable Textile Production by Ecotech certificate for their sustainable manufacturing processes. The products of Pen Fabric have been labeled as Made in Green by Ecotech. They have been manufactured by using environmentally friendly processes and under safe and socially responsible working conditions. This is the organization structure of Research and Development Department. The products of Pen Fabric are heavyweight workwear fabric, lightweight fabric, yarn dye fabric, printed fabric, and grey fabric. The fabric construction is manufactured based on the customer request. Now, I would like to analyze the sort of Pen Fabric that I observed during my internship. The strength of Pen Fabric are the emphasis on design, production, and high quality of finishing process that provide recyclable and environmentally friendly fabrics, and also the achieve Ecotech certificate that related to ecology. Next, the weakness of Pen Fabric are weak machine maintenance skill, tiredness of operative due to the movement of materials, and lack of human resources. For the opportunity of Pen Fabric are able to receive large amount of order from export and local sectors that achieve quality and reliability in meeting customers' requirements, and also to produce functional fabric such as water repellent and acid resistant fabric. For the threat of Pen Fabric are high staff turnover and challenges related to the higher unemployment rate, the poor infrastructure slow down the supply chain, and the competition for market orders with India and China. Now, I would like to present the case study task assigned given by my supervisor. For case study 1, I will discuss the textile industry in Malaysia, the roles and contribution of Pen Fabric, the Malaysia economy, and competitor in this industry. The textile industry is one of the largest established manufacturing sector in Malaysia. It can be classified in 2 activities, which are upstream and downstream sectors. The upstream sectors is the production of fiber, woven, knitted fabric, bleaching, and dyeing. For the downstream sectors, it consists of manufacturing of make-up garments and home textile. Malaysia has implemented the Third Industrial Master Plan to help the growth of textile industry. The IMP3 promote investment in higher value-added textile, sustain the market share, and promote export of the textile industry. IMP3 intensifying regional integration of the industry by simplifying custom procedure for outsourcing, and also it enhance domestic capabilities and facilitate the utilization of ICT and new technologies. Besides, IMP3 enhance the skills of the workforce in designing, production, and marketing. Also, it strengthen the institutional support to this industry. Pen Fabric has been recognized as an international standard for its quality, reliability, and prompt delivery. Most of the textiles made by Pen Fabric are exported to United States, Europe, China, Japan, and Russia. Pen Fabric has a good reputation and trust among the textile industry and competitors as it manufactures the textile that fulfill customer requirements and meets the quality standard. Also, they promotes the national economy based on the advantage it brings to the customer, and they have a loyal customer base. Although Malaysia is synonymous with quality to many leading brands that use Malaysian fabric, there are competitors within the region such as Indonesia, India, Vietnam, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, China, and Cambodia. In Malaysia, other than Pen Fabric, the major producer of the textile also including Racron, Berjaya Saltex, and Ramatex Textile. Now, I will continue with my case study 2 to discuss the process of Pen Fabric product and give some suggestion to Pen Fabric for the improvement. There are 4 mills under Pen Fabric. Mill 1 is to staple the fibers from raw cotton or polyester into cotton, polyester or cotton or polyester blended yarn by spinning operation. After that, the products of Mill 1 will be sent to Mill 2 and Mill 3. For Mill 2, the main operation is to weave the spun yarn into polyester cotton blended grey fabric. While for Mill 3, it processes the yarn dye woven heavyweight and lightweight fabrics. Next, the fabrics from Mill 2 and Mill 3 will be sent to Mill 4 for the finishing process. There are 3 main operations in Mill 4. The first one is pre-treatment. A complete pre-treatment involves 6 main steps, which are singeing, desizing, scarring, preaching, moisturizing, and heat setting. The second operation is dyeing and printing. The wet and reactive dye stuff will use to dye the cotton part of fabric, while for the polyester part, we'll use the dispersed dye stuff. The printing process is a localized application of color with repeated patterns. The third operation is finishing. All the fabric will proceed finishing process based on the requirement of customer. It is an imposing chemical or mechanical treatment to change the physical characteristic of fabric. Pen Fabric has faced the problem of poor quality workmanship. For my suggestion, Pen Fabric should provide proper training regularly to all the staff and workers to enhance their expertise knowledge. The second problem is Pen Fabric still using the outmoded machine and equipment. When this equipment or machine break down, it takes a long time to repair and maintenance. So I suggest Pen Fabric should alternatively update the equipment or renew those outmoded machines. Pen Fabric also faced the problem of short supply of raw materials. In my opinion, I believe that the company has sufficient capacity to produce its own raw material in the future. Being self-sufficient, the company is able to streamline its production. For my case study 3, I did an infographic poster regarding my LI report and included the summary of my case study 1 and 2. I have some recommendation to industry after I complete my internship in Pen Fabric. First, improve the skill of local labor. Pen Fabric may commercialize the name of the skill training program and implement specific training, especially for local employees in enhancing their skill levels. Secondly, build a healthy workplace. A healthy workplace is ideal when it comes to maintaining a positive outcome in a stressful atmosphere. It can influence employees' motivation and happiness while working. Next, Pen Fabric should invest new machine and technology. Advanced machinery and technology can serve to streamline the production process and produce better quality product. In conclusion, the internship was a useful experience. Although it is short, it is a chance for me to find out my strengths and weaknesses. The lesson that I learned from my internship is always work hard even if the task given is small and seems unimportant. It will help us build a good work ethic which is useful for us in a working environment in the future. That's all for my video presentation. Thank you for watching.